Hello everyone. In this part of this lecture, I will show you how you can create a flowchart using Microsoft Word 2016. So this is very simple to create a flowchart in Microsoft Word. So now I am going to create a flowchart and I will show you how you can create this flowchart in Word document. So first of all, to create a flowchart, just go in Insert, which is here, and you can see here a lot of options in the shape. And when you go down in these options, then you will find here a flowchart option by which you can select many shapes which you can use in flowchart. So to start a flowchart, we first use a oval. So we will go here and select this oval. And now draw a oval using just press left click on your mouse and then you have to drop it. So this is how you can create a oval inside a document. And now you can move this oval anywhere in this page, like left, center or right. And if you want to move this oval in the down of this page, then you can move this oval into the down of this page. So I am placing it here, and for this document I do not want any shape fill color in this oval, so just go here in shape fill and choose no color. So this is how we can change these colors. And if you want any color in this oval, then go back in shape fill and you can fill any of the color from these themes colors. And if you want a standard color, then you can choose it from here. So for this time I do not want any color, so I click on no fill. So this is how I create a oval, and you can see the outlines of this shape is colored with blue, and I want to change this color. So go here in shape outline, and for this oval I want black. And now if you want to increase the width of this line of this oval, then go here and click, and you can see here the width of this line, and you can increase width, just click on this arrow sign. So I'm increasing it with 2.25%. So this is the width of this oval which I set here. Now close this, and if you want to set a header of this page, then go here and double click on this, and I want to align my text in center. So go back in home and then choose center, and here I want to give a heading. So this is flow chart. Now I can format this text. So Control A, and I want to bold it, and I want to increase the size also. So I'm increasing it with 16. So it's looking very highlighted, and that's what I want. Now I want to add underline in this text, and now I come back in my page. So this is the oval which I created before. Now to add some text, just right click on this oval, and you can see here it is add text option in this menu. So click on this, and you can see here we can add our text in this oval now. So I type here start. So now we can add our text, and I want black color for as text color. So I go here in the font color, and I am using black color. So now I will type here start, and now if you want to increase the size, then select this all, then you can increase the size. So I'm increasing it with 16, and I want it to show with bold. So this is how you can add your text in shapes. So this is how you can start a flowchart, and after this I'm going to add another shape here, So go in insert and then in shapes, and in the flowchart you can see a flowchart data option is here. So this is the shape which we will use to enter data in our flowchart. So click here, and now we have selected this, and we can draw here by just moving our cursor like this, and now we can move it. So this is how we set it here. Now we can change these. Repeat. Now we can change the color. So we do not want any color. So first we clicked here and then go in shape outlines and using black. Now for width, go here and increase the size of width as 2.25%. So this is how we can do it. And to insert data, we have to right click on this on this shape and click on add text. Now we will add here enter age. Control A, and then to show it bold, just click on bold, and I want to increase the size also. And you can see this text is hide in this shape, so we have to increase the width of this shape and we can move it here. So it's looking pretty much better now. So now entering age, I want a decision box here. So to add that box, go here in insert, then shape, and in flowchart you can see this is decision box. Just select this and go here and draw that box like this. So this is how we draw that, and I do not want any color, and I want black shape outline, and also increase the width size. So I set here, repeat. So I set it here as 2.25%. Now go back in our page. So close this, and you can increase it like this. Now to add some content in this decision box, just click on add text. And now I want to give a condition, and that condition is age is greater than 18. Control A to select this all, and then to format this text, just go home, and then I want to highlight this with bold, and I want to increase the size also. So now you can see text is hidden in this box, so I want to increase this, and now it's looking pretty much better. So this is how we given a condition to check the age is greater than 18 or not. So here we have two options. First one is if the age is greater than 18, then we will print you can vote. Otherwise, if age is not greater than 18, then we will come back in enter age. So to add these options in our flowchart, we will use arrow sign. So go here in insert, then shapes, and you can see here this arrow line. So select it, and then we can draw it from here to here, and I want a black line, and also increase the width of this line. So click here and then increase the size of this width. So this time I want 2% width, and then to draw same line as this, just Control C and Control V. So this is how we added one more line here, and I want this to rotate here, and then I want another line, so Control C and then Control V. So this is how we pasted one more line here, and then we can rotate it. So I want this line in here, and I want to give this line, and I want to move this line to here. And now I want to add a text box here in this area. So go in insert, and then we can choose a text box from here. I want a simple text box, and I do not want a big size of text box. I just want a small size of text box and want to enter here yes, and I want to show it in the center. So go to home and then choose center alignment. Now I want to move it here, and for this flowchart I do not want any outline, so select this text outline, and I do not want any outline. So you can see here this is black outline selected, and I do not want any line, so I selected no outline. So this is how the outline of this text box has been removed. Actually I have to type here no, because for the yes option I want to print a message. So for this time I type here no, and I want to bold it, and then for the yes option I insert one more line. So to enter a line, just copy this and paste it with Ctrl V, and then I can rotate it like this. And now I want to print you can vote, and this is for ages greater than 18. So first of all I select this text box, Ctrl C, and then I want to paste it here, and I want a message inside here, repeat, and I want to give a message yes. Then move this to here, and after this I want to print here you can vote. So to print a message inside a flowchart we use processing box, and as I do not want any color inside this, and I want a black outline, and also I want to increase the width size. Now I want to add some text here, and I want to add here with text color black, and then I will add here you can vote. I want to format this with Ctrl A and use Ctrl B, and then I want to increase the size of this text with 16. And to end this flowchart I'm going to enter here a oval, and then I can move it here, and then for shape fill I do not want any color, and I want black outline, and also increase the size of width with 2.25. Now to add some text, just right click on this oval and then click on add text. Now I type here. So before type any text inside this shape you have to first choose the black color or any other color, whatever you want. And now I am typing here end, and to format this text Ctrl A, then I want to show it with bold, and also want to increase the size of this text with 16. So this is how we created a flowchart in MS Office. I know this is not a regular flowchart because these lines are not in ordered way, but I just want to show you how you can create a flowchart inside MS Word 2016. So this is all for this lecture. Thank you.